Hi, good morning everyone. This is Chantal Yuri, MMM Global Mentor and Guider. Today I will going to make another video tutorial on how to confirm our GitHelp and MMM account. So this is the official website. It's https://mmm-office.cc. So this is the official login page in our MMM global structure. So for us to continue with our video tutorial, we have to, as you can see here guys, the system said enter CAPTCHA. So we are going to type the CAPTCHA. And then click login. So it goes to the log into system. So type your email. Then your password. Then click login. So it goes directly to our main dashboard. So the last video that I created is how to ask GitHelp. So this time around, as you can see here, my GitHelp already got an assignment and it indicates that the provider paid me with the amount that I requested GitHelp last time. So when you can see like this, half check green, meaning the provider attached screenshots of her payment or of his payment to us. That is why it indicates like this, half check green. To make it fully completed, all we have to do is to take screenshots first with this GitHelp request. So I will going to take screenshots and save this one. Okay. I will going to take save it with the files under Myanmar GH3 host, and then save it because we are going to need it to attach the process of our letter of happiness later on. So after this one, click these details. Confirm that you received the fund already, because I already have checked it to my wallet address. The amount has been arrived yesterday. After an hour I created the GH. So before you confirm this one, make sure guys that you received a specific amount of Bitcoin in your BTC wallet. Do not confirm, not unless you did not receive anything or any payment coming from the provider, because sometimes there are people who commit fraud. They attach fake attachment, and then some of the members who are not really aware with the situation, they absolutely confirm it without checking their own wallet. So as I said, as I remind you, this video, you need to check first in your own account, Bitcoin account, if the payment already had arrived. So since I already had checked it in my own wallet, that this 0.19 Bitcoin already arrived, so I will going to confirm this one. Okay, so click these details here, and then you can see two buttons here. So as I mentioned, I received the payment, so I will going to confirm this one. Okay, after clicking that button, confirm fund reception, system will going gun like this. So it goes like that. When it gone, meaning we successfully confirm that our GH has been arrived. So the next video tutorial that I'm going to do is how to create letter of happiness or video of happiness. But probably guys, when you create video of happiness, after you receive your own GitHelp, you will get another 10% for the testimonial video. It indicates here. But most of the time, I did not create video of happiness. I just only write letter of happiness, saying thank you to the participants who provide my Get Help. So once again, I hope this video tutorial will going to guide you how to confirm your Get Help. So continue promoting MMM Myanmar and spread how the system really pay active members in our community. Once again, this is Chantal Yuri, your mentor and guider in MMM Global. Together, we change the world.